Hey, welcome back, folks. We're back in Santa's workshop. We got a couple of arrangements to do. Two in an old world bronze vase. Thought you might want to see it. Right here on my take on Home and Garden. Christmas florals, folks. How better can it get? All right, we're gonna do this little one first. Get you inspired. What I like to do is pick something green for the background. And of course, it's winter. You know, it's cold out there, so let's start out with some frosty holly. Maybe this pine cone. The good stores to get these picks. We got Michael's, Joann's, Hobby Lobby, and even on occasion Walmart has some good ones. I like little greens available, big greens. Let's see what else we got. This little vase is we're gonna do something you might not normally think of. I want to show you. I always try to show you different. We're going to use white roses. And this is part of what I've always said to you, how to stretch your floral collection by using them, the right ones and the right colors in different parts of the year. Now in the fall, we had to get rid of white. But in Christmas, we have plenty of white with snow and everything else going on. I want that sophisticated gold element in here, so we're going to put that gold fern. We have another stem of white roses, and look at what it does. It just takes that white rose, what you might think for a wedding or summertime, but you put that with frozen holly berries. Now we got some frozen apples here. I like to always have something cute included, almost like a surprise, like if you were a little kid looking in a window or looking in a store and you're looking at an arrangement and there's something you just wouldn't normally think of. Today we're going to do that with a pair of snow boots. And we're going to get them in there. I didn't know if I'd need a pick or a hook. But you could use either one, I think. We're going to hook him in the middle. Put them off to the side a bit, like this. So even though it's a Baroque bronze vase, it can have a little touch of whimsical. I need some highlighter in here low. Thinking maybe that kind of fan-like berry pick. Here's some holly and berries. Try that on the other side. There, now we're breaking it up. Here's a little pick with some gold. I like that gold berry in here too. And maybe two of those. Pretty happy with that. So let's start with our background. Should be some holly again. Make sure we got the right height, which we do. Here's some neat kind of whimsical gold. I want another piece. Get a little multi-level balance in there. Then some of these extra full and fluffy white peonies. Just looks like a powder puff of snow. Another neat angle here on this one. We're going to be different. This one's getting some deep violet or eggplant tone flowers with gold in the middle. Ooh, loving it. Gotta love it. I think we want to go up again with one of them. That's looking kind of nice. Yes, sir. Another in the front. We like our odd numbers. I'm seeing that one is odd. That's a little different, so I'm gonna change him out. A little shorter on that one. And they all have that bud, which I love. Okay, here is a neat center that I don't want to take apart. You know how we'll buy these bunches and take them apart. This is too cute together, and that will instantly, look at this, poof, just instantly start filling a big vase for you. So we're going to work this side a little bit. It's kind of in the back, the way this sits in on the end table, so that fan will be just fine in the back. Need some gold here. Coming right up. Look at that. Here's those wonderful, gotta use them again, frozen apple branch. We saw this once, but I want to see it again. It is so cute. This pomegranate branch. And he's going to be the main tall centerpiece. Alright, now I got a little fill work just around the bottom. I want to take some of this. Look at this. This is really unique. It's a holly. It's got berries that aren't turned yet, and some are frozen. I just love this look. And we're going to let some of that come out the front, and we're going to do that again. Now I want this wintry, spiky element. And that's going to tone down our plum leaves. If I get that turned the right way. Now, what's our surprise in this one? I've got a couple things I could use. I think we need some red berries in this. Folks, I just have to take you and show you all around. Let's get a good look at these.
was wondering where you have gone to. Are you just around the corner or in Kathmandu? And whether or not you're with somebody new, still I wish you the merriest Christmas. I hope it will be all that you dream. I have nothing but love for you. You can trust that to be true. Yeah, I will.
Alrighty folks, so if you liked our video today and our 2 Christmas floral arrangements in bronze, give us a like, a share, a thumbs up. Send us a busload of subscribers, will you folks? We'd really appreciate it. You know you can follow us on Instagram at My Take on Home and Garden. We care about all our subscribers and everybody around the globe. One more thing. I told Angela I would not. She said, "You've rang those jingle bells 2 or 3 times now in the beginning of the film." Okay. Alright. They're hanging on the wall over there. But I had a second pair that are really an antique from when I was little. Quite a story. We'll share that at a different time. Take care, everybody, and we'll see you in the next Christmas video.